Right, welcome back to Shedtune, and today's an exciting day because we're going to get a new project. Just going to go and pick Dom up from the workshop, and then we're heading off to see Phil at RPM Scooter Parts over Bracknell Way to pick up the next project. Dom, we're off to Phil Callaway's.
Yeah, he's not happy because I've just been dissing his ride. It stinks.
Sorry? What, diesel?
Yeah, diesel. You got to think about diesel, ain't you?
No. Anyway, we're off to see Phil, and I'm sure he'll make us a cup of tea. And then we'll be able to look at the new project.
Oh yeah. I didn't bring a mask, did I?
Why do you need a mask?
Or a sit bag. How to lose viewers. I'm sure it's going to be really nice. It's going to be state of the art.
No, it's not going to be nice. It's coming from Phil.
Yeah, that's true.
Anyway, we'll see you when we get there.
Yeah.
Did you want any cake, sweet, or are you?
No, I'm fine, thanks, mate. Yeah.
No, we don't eat cake.
SP Developments, never heard of them, but they look like they've got some nice stuff.
Yeah.
I found something that you two don't know about.
I know.
Yeah.
Which one are we? Is it that one in there?
That's that one, yes.
Okay, so we've got to move a few bits about.
Oh, I can climb underneath that one.
See if you can get in there, Dom.
Yeah. I'll just walk underneath this, shall I?
Do you reckon you get over there?
No, no.
Well, yeah, I'll get over there, but I ain't going to get it out, am I?
No.
Right. We need to unpack. Right, back in the moat. There's a lot of stuff we got to move. So when I say we, obviously I've got to film.
There you go, Russ. Just for you.
Is that Phil's? I bet that is, isn't it?
Phil's. Come on, you're serious too, isn't it? You're going to put it back on, especially.
You mod.
You can fuck right off.
We're the mods. We're the mods. We're the mods.
Lambretta and VESPA parts.
Yes. Is there no end to his talents?
Wow, you've got so much stock, Phil. If someone wanted some second-hand parts, I wonder where they should go.
I only want some indication of what was in this box.
God, the jokes get worse, don't they?
Oh shit.
Luckily, that's not it.
That's your next project.
I still think it's hoarding, though.
No, it's rusty gold rust.
Rusty gold.
Rusty gold rust. So that was
Isn't it she in one of your videos, Dom?
No, that's Rusty Sheriff's badge.
come through, Mr. Brown. Your time is up. The only things wrong with the LML are the crank and the electrics. Because if they can save that much on
And
each,
they look like a Vespa.
You were
they
saying?
can save that much on the wiring loom. Over time, they get a free wiring loom. So normally with the LMLs, the first thing to go is the indicators.
In this box, I'll just gently put this stuff over here. What's that, Dom? Open it and have a look. Drop.
Fucking Pandora's box.
Oh,
That looks like you.
you've been in that before.
It's a mug. The jokes don't get any better. Surprise me.
It's only a scorpion.
It's not as bad as we thought.
Does it go? Or do
That's
you
so
not know?
fucking stupid.
I don't know.
That will be a no. Take the panel off, then how's the panel come off? Ah. See this beast of an engine.
done that before, ain't you?
There you go. Look at that. Look at that, eh? It's got a
Pink kickstart.
pink kickstart to go with Phil's eyes. Oh look, the exhaust has fell off. It's got a
Carburetor.
standardy looking carburetor, cast iron barrel alley head. Still kicks over. Well, I suppose the next thing to do is stick it in the van, get it back to the workshop, and
Take the piss out of it. I mean, sort out what we're going to do.
that's right.
What?
Dig.
Sticker time. And by sheer coincidence, not planned at all, we have VESPA stickers and banner. So from Andrew Clark at the Merlin Scooter Club. There we go.
Nice one.
And the Vespa Club of Great Britain. Sorry, it's not a Vespa, it's an LML, but
It's as near as we've got so
it's the
far.
closest we're going to get for a while. Next one, Colin Wood,
Yeah.
Croxley Rebels, Vespa Club of Great Britain, down at Box Hill at the weekend. Nice one. Cheers, boys. And it will go up on the wall.
Here you go. Pride of place. Stickers on the board.
Banner up.
That's it. Don't forget, if you've got some stuff, send it in. And you too can join the Hall of Fame.
And have your name graced by my lips.
Quick look over it, and my first initial thought is, oh, what have we done? What do you reckon, Dom?
Don't want to lose any viewers, so I won't say anything.
It's actually not
It's not that bad. to be
that
fair.
bad. It looks a bit all over the place. It's got a, we think it's got a kit on it and some description. The bodywork's actually not as bad as we thought it would be. So we've just got to work out what on earth we're going to do with it. It's apparently had a, it's an LML, but it's had a PX or Vespa, Piaggio, whatever you want to call it, wiring loom put in it apparently. So yeah,
It's a racing one.
yeah,
Martini.
exactly.
Now,
So
what's the worst that can happen?
well, we'll make it look good. The idea of this is that we're going to give it a Shedtune spin. We're not really sure what we're going to do with the bodywork and everything else just yet, but we'll figure a plan out and then obviously let you guys know as we get further and further into the project. And then we might sell it at the end. So if you've got any ideas, comments, what you'd like to see, because obviously we haven't done one before, then drop them below.
It's be different, it'd be a learning curve.
Certainly will be a learning curve. I think, oh, I don't know what half of that is.
Fuel gauge, maybe.
Yeah, I reckon.
Fuel pipe. Tape, wiring loom.
Well,
Well,
it is what it is. It's a project. We'll crack on with it bits by bits. And then, as I say,
well, it fits in the workshop because there's certainly been rattle can.
well, yeah.
Oh, that's a shame.
Ideas, comments. What do you think we should do? Right, I think that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for more LML stroke Vespa action.
That's all, folks.
That is all. See ya.
See you later.